Because and yeah, so for me, I think one of the things you asked me about, like, that people shouldn't be accommodated. So for
Yes,
me,
that's a thought that I want to hear, because I've been discussing with quite a few parents and a few experts, and once you present your view around this matter, I would like to share what one of the parents said to me when I said, I'm looking forward to this conversation because the view is very different.
so if one looks at it, it's not accommodated, it's being facilitated.
Ah,
So in
it's being
terms,
facilitated.
yes, so
Okay.
it's like, so when you use the terminology of accommodation, means there's
Mm.
something that's lacking that they need to do differently for you. So,
Ah.
for instance, if you look at a mom in a
Mm-hmm,
working environment,
mm-hmm.
they're not accommodating me for having flexible working hours so that I can drop my kids. They are facilitating so that they can get the best out of me. Do you understand?
Ah,
So, what do
there
you
we
need to
go.
put in place to get the best of the individual? Because you're hiring the individual for a certain skill set.